Hello guys, and welcome to Routes, Views and Layouts. So here we are going to create a new Laravel website, added a few pages to it, create a layout, extend it to our views and add a sidebar. So let's start with creating a new Laravel website. I'm going to my development folder and just type Laravel new basic website. So this is crafting the new application. As you can see, it's loading all the packages from the cache because we already made an installation of, a crafting of a new Laravel application. So the installer doesn't need to download everything again, and it's just loading it from your local machine, your local environment, which is really good because you don't need an internet connection to create a new Laravel app. Plus, it's much more faster than downloading everything again. So, as I was saying, we are going to create a new website, add a home, contact, and about page. We are going to see how to create a template and using it in our views. And we are going to see how to add a sidebar to our pages. So let's wait for this to finish. It shouldn't be long. We're almost there. Great. So now we have our new application. Let's try it out. PHP artisan serve. Localhost colon 8000, and here is our new brand application. So now we have to create a home, contact and about pages. Let's open our text editor. And we're just going to search for our new website. And here it is. So now we are going to look for our routes file, and here is our main route, our home route, which returns now the welcome view. And we just need to add two more routes. For example, contact and about. So for this, we are going to create a new view, just call it home. Now we're going to create a second route. We have home, contact, and about pages, as I said. So let's see how to create a new route. So this is a way to create a new get route / contact. And as you can see from above, we have to type function and just return a view called, for example, contact. I'm going to do the same thing for the about page. About and about. So now we have our three routes for our application. If we try to test it, we are going to see that the view is not found, and the same with contact and the same with about. Of course, that's because we haven't created the views yet. So let's create our views in resources, views. I'm going to create a new file called home.blade.php. And we can add a header with home in it. And we just try this out and we have home. Okay. Now we can check the item from the list and we have to create a contact and about pages. So let's add a new file. This would be contact.blade.php, h1 contact. This is just for test purposes. And another one, of course, called about.blade.php. So h1 about. So if we enter to contact, we are going to see contact as and about as well. So we have our 3 pages. Now we can check them out on our list. And now we're going to create a new layout. If we see this source code, it's only h1 about. That's what we wrote. So let's just go to home and we're going to add some HTML code and format. Just right here, we need just to type HTML and press enter. I'm going to put this on the body and I'm going to put this basic website as a title. Now we can see it's pretty much the same, but we have HTML head and body tags. So as we want this on our 3 pages, we don't want to rewrite code, so we're going to create a template file or layout. So I'm going to create a layouts folder and as a convention, app.blade.php as a new file. So I'm going to paste this and here what happens. We want the body content to be different for every page. So we just need to define a content section. And we're going to use this on our pages. And we're going to extend that layout, which is in layouts folder and it's called app. And now we can define our section that's called content. So we add the home header, for example, just type in section. Now this is extending our layout and putting the title or the body content on it. So of course the source code is pretty much the same, but now we are using templates and extending those templates. Okay. So we can check the items on our list. And let's say we want to add a sidebar. First of all, I'm going to extend the layout to our contact and about. I'm going to put contact here, contact us, and the same for the about page. So let's test it. And we have localhost contact and localhost about. So now we have our 3 pages using template. Okay, let's add a sidebar. We are defining a section called sidebar. And I'm just going to add a div class sidebar with some content in it. H3 sidebar. And this is the sidebar. Let's check this out. And it's not showing because we have to include that section in the pages that we want to see it. So we have section sidebar, and now we are seeing our sidebar. If we want to add content or append content to it, we just type some text in the section. And this is not showing because we need to add a directive to our template that should be add show. And this is going to show the sidebar on every page as well. And in our sidebar, we just need to add parent, so all the content is shown from the parent, our template, and our child, which is home.play.php. Let's grab this and create a new file within an inc folder. So this is going to be an include. And we just call this sidebar.play.php and just paste this code and add or include this file in this template. So you can see that it's pretty much the same. And notice that it's showing as well in contact and about pages. That's because of the show directive. So that would be it. We can check our last item of our list. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next video where we are going to compile assets to our project. Thanks again for watching, guys.